Hey there, how you doing? It's Brad Stinson, VA Home Loan Specialist. This week's edition of Realtor Recon, I want to discuss with you how do lenders analyze credit as it pertains to the VA home loan. Now, when you're buying a home, it is a massive undertaking. It's a major it is a major life milestone. And nothing frustrates me more to see lenders not fully communicate why we need these documents. Okay, so this is my attempt on explaining all of this to you. So when you reach out to a lender, the first step that happens is what's called the loan application. This gives us lenders all the information we need to help make a determination or guide you down the path to home ownership. Okay, so when we get it, generally the first thing that we are going to do is pull a credit report. Why do we pull a credit report? Why is it so important? Well, because the best way to determine future behaviors is to analyze previous behaviors. That's why they teach history in high school. So on the credit report, we're looking for some major things that could be an oopsies. I mean, we all have, life happens and we have credit oopsies is what I call them. Okay, you forgot to make a payment, you missed a payment, whatever it may be. Typically, what we are looking for is 12 consecutive months without a missed payment. Now, if you just so happen to have missed a payment within the last 12 months, and all we need to do is be able to explain it and prove it, and it should not be an issue. Now, that's one. Now, two or more, that becomes a problem. Okay, why do we ask for bank accounts? Well, we have to make sure that you have the financial responsibility to manage your money. All right. Now, purchasing a home, you're asking for a large lump sum of cash. So a lender is going out on a limb, giving you this money in hopes that you are going to pay each and every month. So they'll get their money back. So they're just crossing their T's and dotting their I's. Pay stubs. Now, I can't even tell you how many times people overinflate how much money they make or how many hours they work because they want more money when it comes to a home loan. Well, sorry. Typically when we get the pay stubs, we usually go off of 40 hours because your overtime has to be proven and documented for the previous 2 years, and there has to be a high potential of it to continue for the near future. So it becomes a little difficult proving your 20 hours a week overtime in the past because really you only work 10 or maybe you don't work at all, and with holidays, and have an employer agree that they are going to guarantee you 10 hours or more of overtime each and every week. So that becomes problematic. We just use the 40 hours. The W-2s is to ensure that there's no additional loans that were taken out off of a 401k or Roth IRA. So that's why we ask for all these documents, and that is why it's so important that you are upfront and honest with your loan officer, because believe it or not, your loan officer is not trying to deny the loan. The loan officer is trying to get ahead of it. Like me, for example, I'm a VA home loan specialist. I specialize in, this is all I do is VA home loans. So I ask for and obtain specific documents because I know the path that we are about to go down is laden with IEDs. And if I get the information up front, I can navigate us through that route without hitting IEDs and get us to the overall mission accomplishment of home ownership. So there you have it. My name is Brad Stinson, VA Home Loan Specialist. Please like, share, subscribe across all platforms. I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great week. Semper Fi. Get after it.